will paste. So before pasting we must have to be careful where we have where we are going to paste the text. Okay, so here we have copy and we are pasting because our text here, so it is pasting here. Understand? Okay, now next is to cut and paste. How to do cut and paste? For cut and paste, again we have to select. So let's select some text. Select it. Okay, go to clipboard again, home clipboard, click on cut. That will be removed from there. Okay, cut means to remove from there. Okay, and I want to paste here, so I will click here and I will do paste. So you can see it is pasting number of time. So as much time I will click on paste, the text will be paste. I think this copy and paste is copying and moving text is clear to you all. Now let's go to the next one, correcting spelling and spelling error. Okay, now you may see here there are green line and red line. Okay, this red line is showing the grammatical mistake and the green line shows the spelling mistake. So spelling mistake can be corrected with the help of uh, this review tab. Okay, let's go to the review tab. Okay, now here you can see in proofing group there is spelling and grammar. So as you click on this, you will get, in shortcut you can see F7 is the shortcut. Okay, so it will show the spelling mistake with red color. So if you want to change, you can change once, or if you want to keep this, then you can ignore it. Okay, or you can do change all or ignore all, or if you want to change, then there are some word given related to this. You can choose from here and you can change. Okay, so here I have changed accordingly, class CLASS, so it will be like this. Okay, so there are this is, it must be this is, so this options are suggestions are showing here, so we can change it. Okay, now class, in class, so there is gap, so it will show. Okay, so like this we can do changes. Okay, I think you know the green line, when you type, green line show grammatical mistake and red line show spelling mistake, so that can be corrected from reference, spelling and grammar. Okay, or you can use F7 key. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, now green wavy line, here you can translate also, select the word, you can translate. A tracer or search option help to find the similar meaning and opposite meaning. Okay, so period means here are given phase, time, age. Okay, similar meaning it is giving, so you can find the similar meaning of the word. When you select the word, then you can see, select the word, click on tracers to get the similar meaning. Okay, and about this also you can know. Now let's go to the next video. Now next and the last video is undo and redo. Okay, here undo and redo help you to take the action back and repeat the action that we did. Okay, Now, the shortcut for undo and redo is Control Z and Control Y. Undo is Control Z and redo is Control Y. Okay. Undo cancel command given earlier. Okay. And redo means reverse the undo action. Okay. So here we have typed our computer. Now let's go to this. I undo and redo is given here also, and in home tab also undo and redo, or you can sorry, not home, it is given here only. As you click you can see the changes. Redo again, you will get the action, the undo action, repeat again. Okay, redo gone. Okay, and undo again, it will be. I think this is clear, or shall I play again? Okay, let's play again. Now you can see here, undo cancel the command given earlier. Okay, whatever I did earlier, okay, that repeat back. Undo do or bring it back. Okay, and redo, what redo do? Redo reverse the undo action. Okay, it reverse the undo action. Undo means suppose that I have, for example, I have stepped one step, I have kept one step forward. Okay, so undo will bring my step back to the back position, and redo again, put my or bring my step forward. Okay, similarly, as here it is clicked and my is deleted here, and it is, I have written R. Okay, now what will happen now? Upside upside of home there is undo and redo. Okay, now let's do redo, sorry, undo. Click on undo, you can see, where we are. We were typing undo here, you can see here, you can see, here you can see our cursor now come here. Now it's R. Now again if we press, then it will bring my on my. Okay, so whatever action or whatever we are writing, if we want to delete, then we can use undo. Okay, and if we bring it back, then we should have to do redo. Okay, so this much is today's class. I think you have understand what I have taught you. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.